a senior church leader has raised concern about the date set for South Sudan general election. The election is currently scheduled for December 22nd, 2026. But according to the Assistant Bishop of the Episcopal Diocese of Juba, that date comes at a difficult time because it is only a few days before Christmas. The bishop believes the government should look at another date. His comments were made during the funeral service for veteran politician Kosti Manebe at All Saint Cathedral in Juba. Well, what makes this story even more important is that the bishop comment came shortly after Vice President Rebecca Nyandeng Demebure spoke openly about the country political situation. So this was not simply a discussion about an election date. It became a wider conversation about leadership freedom to speak, access to the president, and the future of South Sudan. Well, before we proceed, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Bishop Gabriel questioned the election date. Assistant Bishop Jackson George Gabriel has asked the government to reconsider the planned date for the 2026 general election. The election is scheduled for December 22nd. For Bishop Gabriel, the problem is the timing. Christmas comes only a few days later. For Christians around the world, Christmas is one of the most important religious celebrations. It is a time when families come together. It is a time for church services. It is a time for prayer. It is also a time when many Christians travel from one place to another to celebrate with their families and communities. Because of this, Bishop Gabriel believed the election should not be held during this period. He asked the government to consider moving the election to another date. His message was simple: give people enough space to celebrate Christmas and then hold the election at another suitable time. Well, to understand the bishop's argument, we need to understand why Christmas is important to millions of South Sudanese. Christianity plays a major role in South Sudanese society. Churches are found across the country. During Christmas, many families attend church services, people travel to their homes areas, communities organize celebration, parents and children come together. For many people, Christmas is not simply one day on the calendar. It is a special season for everyone. That is why Bishop Gabriel believes the government should take the Christmas period into consideration when planning a national election. His concern is that citizens could be forced to choose between important religious activities and election responsibilities. The bishop therefore called on people to pray for a change in the election schedule. The planned election is not an ordinary election. It would be the first national election since South Sudan became an independent country in 2011. The last national election involving President Salva Kiir Mayardit and members of parliament took place in 2010. At that time, South Sudan was still part of Sudan. After independence, the country experienced serious political problems and later civil war. The political transition was repeatedly delayed. Elections were also postponed. Now, the South Sudan government said it wants the election to take place on December 22nd, 2026. That means the country is preparing for an important political moment. But the question is whether South Sudan is fully ready. The debate about the election date goes beyond Christmas. There are already wider concerns about the election. Some opposition groups and political actors have questioned whether the conditions needed for a peaceful and credible election are in place. There are still issues connected to the 2018 peace agreement. There are questions about political reform. There are also concerns about security. and also question about whether the election institutions are ready to organize a national vote. These issues are important because the election is not successful simply because people go to polling station. The whole process must be trusted. People must feel safe. Political parties must have space to campaign. Citizens must believe that their vote will be counted properly. One of the major issues surrounding the planned election is the implementation of the 2018 peace agreement. The agreement was designed to help South Sudan move away from war and toward political stability. It created a power-sharing arrangement between different political groups, but several parts of the agreement have taken a long time to implement. This has created concern among political actors and members of civil society. The election is supposed to be part of the country transition toward a more permanent political system. But some people are asking, can the country move to election while important part of the peace agreement remain unfinished? This is one of the major questions South Sudanese leader will have to answer. Bishop Gabriel's message was also about something bigger than the election date. He talked about fear. He said many people are afraid to speak. This is an issue that has been raised by different South Sudanese voices over the year. People sometimes fear criticizing powerful officials. Some worry about what could happen if they speak openly. Others believe their opinion will not change anything. But the bishop say there are times when someone must speak. He suggested that church leader may sometimes have to raise issues on behalf of citizens who are afraid to do so themselves. This is why he used the funeral gathering to make his point. He was saying that silence should not always be the answer. Well, Bishop Gabriel's comment came shortly after Vice President Rebecca Nyandeng spoke at the funeral. Nyandeng had already raised concern about communication with the government. She said she could sometimes spend a very long period without meeting President Salva Kiir Mayardit. She described a situation where access to the president can be difficult. Bishop Gabriel then asked a very simple question. If a vice president has difficulty meeting the president, what about an ordinary bishop? This question added another layer to the discussion. It was no longer only about election, it became a discussion about how government leaders communicate with each other. Well, if you are new to Changfied YouTube channel, I would like you to be channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.